Hi again. So this is the second video about packing. So we're back with the packing cubes. Remember, this is the stuffed one. This one has clothes in it. This is the empty one. One other thing I wanted to mention about packing cubes is that you can wash them. So I'll just put these in the laundry every so often, and I'll just hang them to dry. They don't need to go in the dryer. Easy to clean. So this is a full packing cube. I've already packed it. In a couple of days, I'm taking a month-long trip to Thailand. So what you'll see me packing is stuff that I will use for the month while I'm there. I'm not bringing anything else with me. So you'll see here, you'll see later in another video, my suitcase will have 2 cubes like this of clothes. So first I'm gonna open this cube so you can see how I packed it. So what I tend to do is roll my clothes and then put them in. Some people fold their clothes and put them in. Rolling, I find, has fewer wrinkles and I can get more stuff in the bag or in the cube, so that's why I do it. So this packing cube, this side has clothes. I had extra room, so I put a laundry bag over there, and this is another laundry bag to wash bras in. So happened to fit, so I put it there. So in this cube, you'll see I'm just taking out the rolls so you can see what's in here. This is a dress. This is a light sweater. These are exercise pants. This is another pair of exercise pants. This is a pair of shorts. And this is another pair of shorts. So what I'll do is I'll unroll the clothes and re-roll them so you can see how I did it. So I started with this pair of shorts first because they seem to be the biggest, like they would take up the most room. So I just fold them in half and then I roll them. And you can see they've been packed for a few days, so they're a bit wrinkled. This kind of fabric is likely to wrinkle. So either I'll wash them or I could stick them in the dryer or I could just wear them wrinkled. It depends on how you feel about it. I've been in Thailand quite a bit. The people feel pretty casual there. So I'll probably just wear them wrinkled. And then here's the other pair of shorts. These are really lightweight. Again, fold them in half and then roll them. Another thing you can do to get wrinkles out is when you take a shower, leave the clothes hanging in the bathroom, and the steam in there should get some of the wrinkles out. An iron obviously would be the best option. So then third, I put in exercise pants. So you can see what they look like here. So I fold them in half, and then you can fold them in half again and then roll like I had done, or you can just roll them like this. Up to you. I tend to roll against my body, like rolling down, but because I'm wearing the mic, I'm not gonna do that right now. So you can see it fit. I'm gonna put this one this way. So I have the smaller sides here. One technique I tend to do is if things tend to not all be the same length, is keep the extra space all on the same side. So that way this side is tight, this side provides extra space for fitting extra things. So here is another pair of exercise pants. So again, in half, and then I can roll them. And these kinds of pants don't tend to need ironing because as soon as you put them on, they stretch out and then there are no wrinkles left. So that can go there for now. This is a sweater. It's lightweight. You can see here. So I'm gonna fold this one in half. This is how I pack all my shirts. I fold them in half. I fold the sleeves over, lay it like this, and then roll it. There are some other folding techniques that are better to reduce wrinkles, but because I travel with small luggage and try to travel light, I'm more worried about space. So I can put that right there on top. Now I have the dress. This dress, no matter what I do, it's wrinkled. So here we go. Gonna fold it in half and roll that one too. There we go. I think I will actually stick this one in between those two. So first what I'm gonna do, I know I have a couple more things that fit in here. I'm gonna zip this to compress everything. Yep, and I'm gonna just shake it to that side where I wanted everything to be more tight so I can make extra space on the loose end up here. And now, actually, I think the second time I did this, I have even more space. So what I'm gonna do now is take my laundry bag and I'm just gonna, you could probably just fold this, probably doesn't need to be rolled. But if you roll it, then it's super tiny, like this. I'll just stick it in a spot where it could stay snug, so I have extra room for other things. And this is the other laundry bag I had. Here we go. And then, see, I'm gonna stick it right there. Then I have even some more space so I could put underwear or socks or other small things right in that little spot there. But I don't need anything else right now, so I might just go with some extra space in my luggage. And this is how you can make a packing cube work for you. Thanks.